Good morning! Welcome to Heisha Studio. Today I'm going to introduce to you the Heisha charging pad product. The Heisha charging pad is compatible with all kinds of drones. For example, the VTOL multi-rotor drones or fixed-wing drones. But today I'm going to talk specifically about this model, C300M2. The C300M2 is specially designed for DJI MAVIC2 drone, and Heisha company can now mass produce it and also have some stock for it. So if you order today, they can ship it out tomorrow. Now let's take a look at some of the details of this model. You can see right now the MAVIC2 is sitting in the middle of the charging pad, and it's locked by 4 repositioning bars as the battery is being charged at the moment. In the C300M2 package, we provide the charging pad, the customized battery for the MAVIC2 drone, and also a special design landing gear. For the integration work, we provide some of the ports for the engineers. For example, you can see we have a RJ45 for the internet access, and next to it are the HDMI and USB port for the configuration work, both with a rubber cover for the weather resistant. Now let's take a look at it, how they actually work. So provided now the battery is being fully charged and the drone is turned on remotely. It's doing the self-testing to make sure everything works well for the flight, and the bar release the drone. Okay, let's just pretend the drone is taking off for the survey mission around the residential area. Okay, and when it lands whatever direction it is on the side of the pad, and then the bars is going to lock it into the center of the charging pad. Now let's just wait for these 2 bars to close and lock the drone. And then the charging pad start to work to charge the battery through the landing gear from the contact pins to the customized battery. For the C300M2, it comes for a lot of applications, be it either indoor warehouse stocking management or outdoor residential or farm survey. So it comes very handy. The size is about 80 by 80 centimeters. It weighs around about 14 kilograms. You can put it in the car to drive it to the designated location for your survey mission. Besides the hardware, Heisha will also provide a basic mobile app for the engineer to integrate the whole home system to their own system. This is the interface of the app. It's a map of this area. On the bottom left, there is a small window for the video streaming, and on the top left, there are some icons for the configuration. So for the entire package, we already have the stocks. Order today, we ship out tomorrow. Thank you. This has been Heisha Studio.